Aromatherapy Fundamentals for Beginners. Learn unique ways to get best benefits from essential oils like stress relief, weight loss management, natural medicines, and much more. Hello, I am Ali Heather and I welcome you to this course about aromatherapy and essential oils. It's a pleasure to welcome you to this course about aromatherapy fundamentals. And I will make sure that you learn a great deal of knowledge about aromatherapy and essential oils in shortest possible time. Actually, aromatherapy is the modern name for using natural essential oils that are extracted from flowers, fruits, and plants to help maintain our physical and mental well-being. And nowadays, aromatherapy has become one of the most famous complementary medicines to help people to get benefits naturally from the usage of essential oils and can help to cure lots of physical and mental symptoms that are being faced by humans all around the world. You will learn a great deal of knowledge from this course. I will give you an introduction to aromatherapy. I will tell you about essential oils and their usage, and I will tell you how to choose essential oil that can benefit you. And I will tell you essential oil uses for natural medicines and also essential oils usage for spa and relaxation. I will tell you best recipes for your health by using essential oils, and I'm going to answer a lot of questions that are asked about aromatherapy. I will also tell you about safety measures you can take for essential oils. So the main theme is that you're going to learn unique ways to get best benefits from essential oils. And the target audience is anyone interested in essential oils and aromatherapy, and also those people who want a better, healthier, and happier lifestyle with the use of essential oils and aromatherapy. So this course is yours. I created it for you so you could learn more about the basics and beyond of aromatherapy and essential oils. And I'm really happy and excited for you to dig into the amazing world of essential oils. I love essential oils and feel they are an amazing addition to a natural lifestyle. They can be used to boost your health in every aspect and can be used on kids and adults of all ages. And in this course, I have also shared best recipes that will definitely help you a lot in your daily routine work and for well-being of your body. So thanks a lot for taking interest in this course. Now let's get started. Best of luck. If you have any kind of questions, I'm always there to help. Alright?